Many women use CBD or THC, some for sleep, some for stress, some for scalp to regrow hair. They each do different things to your hair. THC can slow the hair growth at the root, CBD on the scalp may help some. But edibles are a different story. They act through sleep and stress signals. Hair roots have tiny locks. One lock is CB1. When that lock gets slowed down message, growth can slow. THC is like the key. It fits that lock and it can tell the hair to slow down. This was seen in lab hair. So lab is a clue, it's not a promise for everyone, so go slow and be careful with THC. Now on the topical side, CBD on the scalp is very different than swallowing it. Some human reports show more hairs for some people after 8 to 12 weeks. So at night, the body uses a dimmer. So there are two very simple paths you're going to take. On the skin, that's topical. Put it on the scalp, it may work there. Whole body, which is edible, swallow it if it works through sleep and stress signals. At night, the body uses a dimmer. It's a steady dimmer that keeps the hair cycles calm. It signals flicker during the night and more hairs may prove to shed. For some people, edibles can make the signals flicker. That's why testing slowly really matters. So let's do a quick self-check. Did shedding rise after you started THC or after a dose bump? Was your sleep deep at first and then you woke wide awake at 3 a.m.? Is there redness or burning from a scalp product? If yes, pause and note it. Track your usage for 30 days. Each day, note in your shower and your brush, is there low, medium, high shedding? Change just one thing for 2 to 4 weeks. If you're testing a CBD scalp product, start low, a pea size on one small spot, write the brand and the manufacturer, milligrams, wait 8 to 12 weeks. If you're using edibles, use fewer nights, Monday, Wednesday, Saturday, or maybe pause and see what happens. Support your sleep with morning daylight, 10 minutes of easy movement, and steady lights out time. So here's a self-check. Did shedding rise after you started THC or after a dose bump? Sleep deep at first and then you were wide awake at 3 a.m.? Is there redness or burning from a scalp product? If yes, pause and note it. And for a 30-day plan, track your usage each night, note in your shower if you were shedding, change one thing for just 2 to 4 weeks. If you're testing a CBD scalp product, start very low, pea size in one small spot, write the brand, the milligram, and wait for 8 to 12 weeks to see if there's a trend. If you're using the THC edibles, use fewer edibles at night, Monday, Wednesday, Saturday, or a low dose and pause and see. Support your sleep with morning daylight and 10 minutes of easy movement each day, and a steady lights out time every night, same time. So CBD is the tiny lock on the hair roots. THC can press that pause button. Topicals may have early reports they may work, but you want to test slowly, track your changes, and adjust with what you see. Comment on hair below and tell us if you're losing your hair by edibles or any kind of topicals. These notes really help other people and my research. And you can get my free guide, which is the top 9 foods for menopausal hair loss. These are foods that will help with scalp health, energy, and their 5 quick minute meal ideas. Just to say, this is an education, this is not medical care. You have to check your medications and meet with your clinician. So next up, does vaping cause hair loss and menopause? Here are the things to watch for and the simple fixes to take. Tap it now.